The beautiful thing is here. You face this corner, so you repeat. Your body need to give a very elegantly change the direction. Don't stay here, so to repeat, just go front and back. Okay, start from here. And the moment you do a jump, your body go to the end, and then you go back. This arm front. Which leg front, which arm front. When you do the jump, you change leg, you change arm. Arm on first position here, facing your belly button. But when you do the second time, your arm, this arm basically not move at all. And then when you do the second time, your arm to a long way. So you only move the one arm. Clear, girls? Watch me again. Okay, so from here, after you change this arm front, this arm don't move at all. And the same arm, and then to a long way. Got me? Okay, so for example, you go from your upper body, you go forwards. Don't go forwards. Your upper body should be backward. Leg front, upper body backwards. Leg back, upper body forwards. So you make it more balanced. Okay, so from here, look at the beginning I jump, my upper body lean back. And then second jump, my upper body forwards. Clear?